Here's an example of how to use the Ursa IPAC Table Validator tool. IPAC table format is a file format that's just plain ASCII, but it does have some formatting that can be tricky to get set up exactly the way that you need it so that Ursa tools accept it. That's why there's an IPAC Table Validator tool in the first place. If you search on IPAC Table Validator, you'll find it, but you can also go to Tools, Table Validation. Over here, I have a window that has a catalog that I've assembled. It doesn't have very many columns. It has a name that I've assigned, right ascension declination, and a 2MAS name. I have some stuff on the top, and my column headers are set off by pipes. This is very close to the IPAC table format, but maybe not exactly right. So let's go and find the table, open, upload. It tells me that there's a lot of problems with my file. The first thing it tells me is that the headers must end with a bar. Now it sure looks like it does, except it doesn't. It's got some spaces at the end of those lines. Then it says, on line 6, a character is found under the bar. So that's a problem. Indeed, I've got characters under the bar. So if I move this one over, move that one over, make sure the pipes, the bars, are over spaces, that should help a lot. Save the file. Let's go back over here and upload it again. Now it says it's a valid IPAC table, but let's check. Let's go to Finder Chart and upload this table to do a search. So yeah, it looks like it worked. Another video addresses troubleshooting for working with IPAC table files.